Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss three Excel formulas which you're going to use all the time while working with arrays in Excel. Let's talk about it. So if you're having an array in your sheet and you would like to convert it into a row, you can use a function called Torow, and you can simply select your array and all the data will be converted into rows like this. Now, if you're having a large set of data in your array, but you're interested in just a few specific column, so you can use a function called Choosecols that stands for choose column, and you can give the column number in which you are interested like this. Similarly, if you're having an array in which you are interested in only first two rows or last two rows or columns, you can use a function called take, through which you can select your array. Now let's suppose I'm interested in just last two columns of this particular data. So what I can do is I can simply go to columns here and I can use -2, and I will be having the last two columns. Similarly, I can use this function to get my first two rows also like this. I hope you like this video. Do comment which formula you used in your sheet while working with arrays most of the time, and do give a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you.